let's open the wallpaper. I don't feel like I can justify how tired and out of breath I am. I'm only 6 months pregnant. Maybe that seems like a lot, but also if you're a mom, this jumpsuit from Hatch, literally the comfiest thing ever. And I was painting at the studio, so I've got paint all over me. I got this off Wayfair. It was a pretty good price. It ended up being 70 bucks to cover all the walls. And this is what I went with. There it is. I can link it down below for you guys, but you can kind of see a little sneak peek. So I'm gonna need my dad's help to do the wallpaper. Got some other stuff I gotta do today, but we'll see in a few days, painting and pasting.
Nice. Well,
Can we just overlap until it dries? Or is it just way off?
there's 2 and 3. Okay.
Yeah, the wallpaper, I wanted to get peel and stick. Obviously, like everybody gets peel and stick. I don't even want to talk about the state of my room right now. I'm in between moving to the studio and a lot of things. And I found this wallpaper and I showed it to you guys and I was like, oh, it's so cute. And then I did like the square footage of the room thinking like, oh, it's not gonna be that much because I'm not doing floor to ceiling. I'm doing only like a half wall. And it ended up being like $1,000 for wallpaper. And I was like, that's stupid. I'm not paying that. So I went on Wayfair and I searched peel and stick and it said, I swore it said it was peel and stick, but I guess it said adhesive. That wasn't even the bad part though. So I accidentally got adhesive and I think that's why it was so cheap because it was only $70. I think it was like 84 square feet. And I was like, 70 bucks, like deal, that's so easy. So I bought that, we get it, and I'm like, oh darn it, it's adhesive. We figured it out, we like wet it down, and it was lining the pattern. It was hell on earth, and I was like, it's not gonna be enough, and then I'm gonna have to order it again because by the time the pattern like repeats itself, you've used like half you just can't use. So it would have been ended up being like around $200 or $140, and it was just taking so long. So my dad and I put up 2 panels. There were already just like, you know, little mess ups, whether that was just like the walls not perfectly smooth or it ripped so easily. And like looking at it with 2 panels and just like 2 mess ups, you're like, ah, that's not bad. But thinking of doing each panel and each panel having a mess up, it would have just looked so messy. So yeah, we pulled it down. Luckily it was wet and it was easy to pull right off, and I was like, screw it, let's go buy paint. Went to Home Depot, picked out paint in 0.2 seconds, and that's where we're at. So I'm upset because it would have been really, really cute and it was looking cute, and now I feel like I just don't want her room to look beige, but we're gonna paint the closet door blue, and it's still like this bright yellow and beige, and I don't know, because I got a glider and it's just a striped like beige one, and now if I would have known that the wallpaper wasn't gonna work out, I would have probably gotten one with more color. We'll figure it out. I'm gonna look on Facebook Marketplace, I think, for like a stool or like footrest for the glider, because I think it's cute when the glider doesn't match the footrest. And then we have a rug downstairs that I might just use. Or like we'll try it out and we'll see what happens. But that's where I'm at right now. Kind of a bust, and it just took way longer than it should have. We'll do second coat tomorrow and I'll see you guys then. You can stay in here. Arnie's scared of her room. So I just got back from ballet. Time in this get up. But we got my package from Diseño, so I wanted to show you guys the prints that I got. Not all of them are for her room. I keep wanting to say her name. When am I just gonna reveal it? And I can't lift heavy things, and I got a lot of prints, so my dad already took them out of the package for me. Okay, so your prints come in this little like cardboard envelope and you open them up. Yay! And they're so perfect, not creased or anything. I've been so into pop-up reds, so I found this kind of, what's this called? Abstract? I don't know if this is gonna go in her room or in my studio. We'll figure that out. This one's really, really cute. I think this will go in her room. I forgot. These are so cute. Shut up. She's gonna have the cutest gallery wall. This one's for her room. I just think the cherries are cute. It's in a smaller one, and I'll show all the frames for this. This one I think is for the studio. It's like a wine bottle, still life kind of painting. I'm super into the paintings. This one is for her room. It's like a funky looking tiger, and I thought it'd be cute. Then this painting of butterflies. Maybe this goes in her room too. I feel like her room is kind of boring now that the wallpaper didn't work out, but I need to get blackout curtains because when you close these blinds, like little bits of light still come in, and I want her room to be pitch black because look it up, it's really good for developing your eyesight, and you're more likely to have 20/20 vision if when you're like an infant you sleep in pitch black. So now I'm like, okay, I can get, you know, a printed blackout curtains. I just haven't found any I like because I'm a picky girl. Oh my god, all of her furniture is secondhand. Why is she so cool already? She's a thrift queen. What the heck? Okay, so we've got this little, this little butterfly one. Yay, let's frame these and then I'll show you, and then we can start making her gallery wall. Why am I nervous? I wanted to come on here real quick and just talk about Diseño's trendy, high quality Scandinavian prints and frames that they update regularly. They have something for everyone and every style. They ship to countries worldwide, including the US, within 4 to 7 days. And they have their own in-house design team working to bring you unique and trendy designs you can only find exclusively with them. So if you guys want to check out Diseño, use my code LANEY for 45% off your prints and 10% off frames until August 17th at midnight. Here are all her prints framed. I think they actually go so well together.
Okay, so we'll secure that better.
Yeah. Cool, thank you.
So it doesn't fall on her. Are you ready to shoot?
Yep.
Really, just like that. It's very cute. It's not like a normal baby's room, is it?
And here we have her not finished baby room. Obviously, this is gonna be part 1. This is everything I have before the baby shower. Her glider was supposed to come in today, but this video is already very overdue. Don't even like just look at Diseño for having amazing prints, but also just for being an amazing company and working with me when I am being a slowpoke because it was Nursery. We can also like talk about what's gonna go where in the future, and you can see how the room's gonna change and progress when she gets all the like baby necessities in here. So first of all, this lamp, it's just like a normal lamp, like super basic. This isn't gonna be the shade, that's gonna stay on it. I got a vintage one off Etsy. I can put it right here. It's gonna be red at gingham. I think it'll really just add a nice pop of color in here, but I didn't want to pay for an expensive lamp post. So I just got this one off Amazon. I can link it below for you guys, but then this color is, I'll have this color linked down below. This is chilled wine. This bottom one, Paige Wassel, is my inspo for everything. Then she has her first vintage piece. This was my Aunt Jane's in her room when she was younger at my grandma's house, and my grandma downsized, so she gave this to us. Now my baby gets to use it. Then we have the Diseño prints. These look amazing. I am so obsessed with how they look. Right away my dad was like, that tiger is so cool, and the tiger is definitely my favorite. I think it's adorable. Then over here we have her first stuffed animal, which my friend Hannah crocheted this for her. It's a little puppy, like how cute. So that's really like the only little kid thing we have so far, but you know, more will come. And then when I was younger, not like a baby, but I always had like a memory box. So I stole this one from my mom, and I've already started putting her just like little memory things in there. Her clothing drawer already. I need to wash these again before she's here, just to be safe. But all of these are thrifted. So if you guys want to see like a thrifted baby clothing haul, I can definitely give you that because it's freaking adorable. Okay, coming over here, we have the blue closet doors, which I'm so happy I decided to do a pop of color on the closet doors, because after not having the wallpaper, I feel like this really saved the room. They kind of need another coat of paint and then different knobs. I'll probably get like vintage ones, but I like the little crystal kind. This is Peaceful Blue by Bear. I can't believe how adorable this all turned out. So all the picture frames, just so I could get this video done, we put them up with just like normal, whatever, hangers, but we're gonna stick them to the wall a lot better before she comes because, again, like I said, I'm paranoid. My dad says fine, we can put one over the crib. So this crib was actually mine when I was a baby. My parents just took it out of the attic, and they call this the $40,000 crib because when I was born, they didn't have enough money for a crib, so they took $700 out of Dell stock, and then the Dell stock ended up being worth $40,000. And like I said, decennial print. It's just so cute. I got this little rocking chair from a garage sale down the street. It was $5, and it perfectly matches her crib. A lot of you guys were like, haven't you seen any scary movies or horror movies? And I don't like scary movies, so no, I like the rocking chair, it's cute. Obviously my glider's not here yet. This is what it will look like, and I don't really know where it will go yet. I have to figure that out. And we just have a big majestic palm in the back. I literally Googled, are plants safe for nurseries? And they said majestic palms are. Peace lilies, succulents, and something else are not though. Just look it up. This rug, which was just already in here, it's my parents'. I have no idea where it's from. Most of this stuff is over 20 years old, so I can't really link the vintage pieces for you guys or just like the secondhand pieces. And I think this rug is kind of weird for a baby's room, but it like works. I think it's really cute, so I'm gonna leave it. And it saves me like $100 because rugs are expensive. So thank you so much for watching this video. And remember to check out Diseño. You can use my code LANEY for 45% off prints and 10% off frames until August 17th at midnight. This does exclude personal frames, or personal prints, but obviously they have so many cute ones, you don't even need it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for part 2 when things get a little bit more finished, but I'm really happy with how it looks right now. I think it's adorable. I love you so much, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.